Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the swoosh, Nike. Nike stock has gotten crushed, selling off about 12% today. So I wanted to make a video really explaining what's going on and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest in it? So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And exciting news, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about strategies, how I find stocks, my mindsets. We have quizzes, lectures, live streams. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. Guys, check it out down below. We're doing a Black Friday sale for the end of this, for the end of this month. And I know when people think courses, they run. I get it, but this is actually a good one. So guys, check it out down below. But let's kind of dive into Nike. I hope you guys enjoy it. So what's going on? Well, today Nike released some news, and anytime they announce something, this is important, especially an earnings report like today. So what happened is Nike released earnings, and the stock got crushed. You guys will see this thing sold off from about $125 all the way down, about 106. Anytime you have that type of move, this is gonna, cause investors to go, what is going on? And they pretty much they released this earnings report and they didn't do very well. And that's the grand scheme of it. They're expected to bring in more money and they really pretty much didn't. They're expected to bring in, a little under $14 billion, about $3.9 billion they were expected. They brought in about 3.8, and they only grew their revenue up about 1%, which it isn't very good. I know. And some of the things that's important is some of Wall Street, some analysts are getting worried about competition, because Nike isn't the only, clothing brand. Yes, I get it. But in general, Nike is one of those companies where it's like, it's Nike. This thing it's an American icon. It's like Coca-Cola, Nike. In the grand scheme of things, do I think this company is going to close? No. I do think they had a rough quarter. I definitely think the holiday season will help with their revenue and for this upcoming quarter after this one. But yes, I get it. Their revenue literally was only up, you guys can see, 0.55%, so under 1%, not very good. And as we scroll down, the cash flow is down 118%. So I get why investors are worried. In the grand scheme of things, I get it. But answer this question. Do you think companies like Google, like Apple, have ever had rough quarters? Absolutely. So in the grand scheme of things, I don't think it's that big of a deal. I honestly think what we will probably see happen is a little buying pressure. Honestly, I know it's crazy to sound, but we have these moving average lines. We have some support. This thing has tanked about 12%. Any action in the market is often an overreaction. Look at a company that I absolutely love, and this is Google. Google, little different situation. They released an earnings, the thing got crushed, and it soon rebounded. Do I think Nike and Google are the same? No, different companies, but I do think we'll probably see a little buying pressure, probably up to about 112 to 113. Right in this range, it'll probably consolidate here for a minute, but overall, should you invest into Nike? Nike, I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon, but it's also a growth play. This isn't like investing into, it's not like investing into like a very, very stable company that doesn't move. This thing has histories of running. You guys will see we've had fantastic years. It's gone from $43 all the way in 2016, all the way up to $174. So this thing moves, it grows very, very quick. But I honestly think just as fast as these things, the stock has gone up, it's also sold off. So, you have to understand it's a growth stock, a good strategy that I would recommend. One, possibly swing trade coming soon. We're on these moving average lines. We do have some support. That's going to be this old resistance right here. So we'll see what happens. We could get a move, like I said, to about $12, $13. But on the flip side, it's also right now could be a sinking ship. But in general, we have that little trade possibly right there. But as for like a long-term investment, if you believe Nike's not going anywhere in the next 10, 15 years, right now could represent a good opportunity to start investing into buy shares, honestly, at a lower price. A good strategy that I love for investing into growth stocks and a little more volatile companies would be to dollar cost average it. Investing consistently is often better than just dumping a bunch of money in it all at once. Because what you do is, if that's just say Nike just continues to sell off all the way down to about, let's just say $96, you're averaging down this price. So once Nike recovers, your average cost is now, instead of 108, it'll be like $99 or $98, just because you've been, investing during those dips. That's a good strategy. I really, really love doing that with growth stocks, but it's a growth. Keep it under 5% of your portfolio, and we'll see what happens. Am I buying it? I don't know, man. I might. I'm leaning more towards yes than no. I think Nike is a great play. Could be a short-term little gain here. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. That's what's going on with Nike. Obviously, this is all my opinion. Do your own research before you guys invest. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. And hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.